Hello guys, welcome to a new tutorial, simple tutorial to calculate age using date of birth on Google Sheets. So to start, let's make a simple table. Here you can write date of birth and here age. For instance, 1st of January 2001 and 2nd of February 2002. Here, make sure this is formatted as date, so go number, date, right? So to calculate, we use a simple function called dateDiff. You select dateDiff, now use the date that you want to calculate with. Now we use the today function, so it will be always correct. And the unit, we want this result in years, so we write this close and we replicate to the other rows. So, oops. So it says here 19 and 20. It's correct. Make sure this is also formatted as a number or automatic. Okay, thank you guys. Hope you like it. Subscribe and like the video. Bye.